Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 435D convertible M Sport here at Your Next Car. So let's have a little walk around the outside of the car whilst we talk through some of the features and options we have. Starting of course with the outside of the car, where you will see we've fitted the Your Next Car performance kit, which is fitted all in house here at Your Next Car. We've gone for the gloss black front splitter, gloss black kidney grills on the front of the car. We've also just fitted the 20-inch G20 style alloy wheels, which are all brand new tyres. The vehicle also has the stunning Angel Light and Xenon headlamps. This particular vehicle has very high optional extras, so including one of them being the M Sport braking package, so it has a much larger brakes front and rear. We also have the gloss black air breather, satin side vinyls, satin sidebars and performance decals. Inside the vehicle we have the black Dakota leather. It also has the electric memory function on the driver's side and electric adjustment on the passengers. We have the superb Harman Kardon surround sound on with Logic 7. We have the power fold mirror function, and we'll get into the other optional extras inside the vehicle in just a moment. Moving around to the rear of the car, we have the satin rear diffuser. X-Drive of course is standard on the 435Ds, which is BMW's superb four-wheel drive system. We can also take a look in the boot. Obviously the roof is down at the moment, but thanks to BMW's clever engineers, you can half raise the boot back open to access the full storage capacity on the boot by using the nifty little button up here. And there we have your full load capacity in the boot, which is very large for a convertible, it has to be said. Simply shut the luggage cover back down, hold the boot close button, and everything closes back up for you. And then we have back to being a full convertible again. Superb looking car in the Estral blue, which ties in very nicely with the gloss black of the performance kit and the alloy wheels. It is of course all ISOFIX ready in the rear. Okay, so I'll jump into the driver's seat and I'll quickly talk you through some of the options and spec. Starting of which we have the multi-function M Sport steering wheel and the 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift. We have the BMW Professional Wide Navigation and Media. This particular vehicle has the facelifted iDrive. You can also do the split screen function. There you go, so if we click across there, turn split screen off, we can go full view. Bluetooth communications and media, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB. Heated seats, which we spoke about. Another one of the nice extras is the air scarf function. This is where we will have nice warm air blowing through in this section here. Very handy if you do want to have the roof down for longer, i.e. on a little bit of a cooler evening. It also has heated steering wheel function, as you can see there. So again, another nice function to have on a cooler evening. A superbly high spec 435D. It's covered just over 47,000, and we can also take a look at the vehicle service history. As you can see, everything is in green and it's not due an engine oil change for 10,000 miles. And going into the vehicle history, you can see the 2 service stamps that it's had to have at BMW. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the personal video, walk around video, sorry, of the 435D convertible. Okay, we hope you found the video useful, and of course we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care, bye bye.